This episode of Love Larn is sponsored by Mowpartsoz.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the program. You're watching Love Larn, and I'm your host, Michael. Tonight's program is generously supported and sponsored by Mowpartsoz. You can find Mowpartz at mowpartsoz.com.au. Get in touch with George for all of your Scott Bonnar parts and requirements. Guys, it is finally competition time here on the channel. Going to take a little minute just before we get started to say please subscribe if you haven't already. Like today's video if you don't mind, it helps us out, it's free. Leave a comment down below if you want to as well. We always love to hear from you guys, and also helps the channel out for free, so good on you guys. We'll get the prize up here in a minute and you can feast your eyes on it, because feast your eyes on it you will. It is incredible. Even if you don't like Scott Bonnar's, it's a pretty cool prize. I think, yeah, it's going to blow your mind if you haven't seen it before. If you have seen it before, it's still going to blow your mind because it's pretty awesome. I've been lucky enough to hold this thing in my hands, and it is, it's pretty awesome. So let's go. Manuel, if you will, please. Thank you, Manuel. Well, what did I tell you? It's a 22 karat gold-plated billet clutch from Mowpartsoz. Yeah, what more can I say? I don't know. It's got gold on it. You know, if you're doing a gold theme mower, even if you're not, it's got gold on it. It's 22 karat gold. It's real. It's plated. It's not solid gold, but it's plated gold. And my God, guys, look at this thing. You can see yourself in it for miles if that's your thing. It's one of George's billet clutches, aluminium billet clutches that's been gold plated with 22 karat gold. Includes the clutch cone. There's a spring in there, some corks, both halves of the clutch, of course, all of your hardware that you require, including the cotter pin and the retaining screw that George uses. What more can you ask for? It's made of gold. It's absolutely amazing. And so, that is tonight's prize. All you have to do to win it is stand by as we get into this competition. So, let's talk a little bit about the format of tonight's giveaway. If you've purchased something from Mowpartsoz within the last 6 months, you'll have received an invoice, and on that invoice is an invoice number. That is your ticket to win, so hunt it down, go get it, whatever you need to do. You've got 4 digits on your invoice number. Your invoice number is going to start with either a 4 or a 5 going back over the last 6 months. You'll have 2 days, and only 2 days, to claim your prize. You can do so by getting in touch with myself or with George at Mowpartsoz, and all of the contact details that you need will be at the end of the video. So don't delay. If no one claims the prize, we'll be back here to draw it again, and we're going to keep doing that until we give it away. So we'll get the wheel spinning in a minute. Before we do, I just wanted to say a very quick thank you to all of you for watching the video tonight. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed for more great giveaways like this and other content relating to our passions here in Scott Bonnar land. And yeah, feel free to hit the like button, leave a comment if you want, etc., whatever. It all really helps the channel out and keeps us going strong. And that, my friends, is all it takes. So, without further ado, let's do this.
Spin, to win.
All right, as you can see, we've got a wheel on the screen, and it includes 10 numbers. The first number needs to be either a 4 or a 5 to start this competition going. We're going to spin it until we get to a 4 or a 5, and then we're going to go from there. So, are you ready? Have you got your invoice numbers ready? Have you subscribed to the channel just for good measure? Remember, hit like or something. Let's do it, let's do it. First spin. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Is it going to be a warm-up, or is it going to be a 4 or a 5 to get us started? Woo. Whee! Look at that. It's a 4. It's a 4. So that is the very first number, the starting digit of your invoice number on the left-hand side. 4 is our first number. Let's go again. Are we ready? Have you subscribed to the channel? Subscribe now. I'll wait. Ready? Yeah? Good? Done? Go. Here we go, second spin. This is our second digit of your invoice number. If you haven't got your invoice number, go and get it. Oh, 9. So we've got 4 and 9, the first 2 digits of the winning invoice number. Are you ready? Is that you?
Woo!
Are you off to a good start here? We're making good progress. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Thank you, George, for the prize, the 22 carat billet clutch with gold on it. Let's go again. Third number. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. What's it going to be? Is it going to be let's see if I can predict it. 6, 5? You tell me. I can't see the screen. It's a 3. So, let's recap. We've got a 4, we've got a 9, and we've got a 3. We've got 1 digit left to pick. And you need to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned to the end, because even if you don't win the clutch, there are more goodies to come. Let's go again. Are you ready for the last and final spin, the final number tonight to win the gold clutch? Ready? Ready? Go. What's it going to be, ladies and gentlemen? Are we going to have a winner at the end of this thing or not? Get your invoice numbers ready. Check them. Contact us. Ooh, it's a close one. It's a 3. It is a 3. So our winning invoice number tonight to win the gold clutch is 4933. 4933. Don't delay. You've got 2 days from this point to get in touch with myself or George to claim your prize. I don't know who you are. All I know is that the winning invoice number is 4933. Now, before you go, George has also got a discount code for those of you who would like to purchase a billet clutch. Not a gold billet clutch, mind you, but an aluminium billet clutch. Just one of the regular ones, one of the boring ones, right? Not quite. So it's exactly like this, except it's not gold plated because it's just not. So 10% off, there will be a discount code available. 10% off at checkout for the full clutch kit, drive shafts, and what's the other one? Thrust pads. Yeah, so everything you need to get your drive line in good shape, especially if you've got a new engine. What more can I say, guys? Someone has hopefully just won the gold clutch, and I'm pretty excited to have been a part of this competition tonight, this giveaway here on the channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Like the video, just for good measure, and drop us a comment down below, especially if you've won. It'd be great to know who you are. We'll hopefully share your details in a future video as well. So thank you, Mowpartsoz. Thank you, George, for the prize. Pretty awesome prize, I reckon. What more can you say? It's a gold clutch, right? And yeah, we are off and running. So, like I said, subscribe, first of all. Secondly, get in touch, because you want to win this thing. It'll be posted out to you. It doesn't cost you anything. You've already made your purchase, so just let us know, and we'll send it to you. And, yeah, discount code for everyone else. If you didn't win tonight, I'm sorry. Better luck next time. Try and do this again in some shape or form. Maybe not with a gold clutch, but with something equally as fantastic, as if there is such a thing. And of course, like, comment, say hi to us anywhere you like, and we'll catch you for the next one, guys. Special thank you again to Mowpartsoz for sponsoring the gold clutch competition today. We'll see you soon, everybody.